I'm Paul Williams, I'm the design manager for special projects. On our Superlight bike you get a titanium fork, a titanium rear frame and other Superlight components such as wheels, headset and mudguard stays. Brompton Fletcher is our joint venture between Brompton and CW Fletchers, a titanium specialist based in Sheffield. Titanium's a fantastic material. It's got comparable strength to steel, but it's about half the density. We can engineer it to be more flexible in certain areas, giving a great compliance to the bike and a better ride. It has excellent corrosion properties with an oxidized layer that means it's going to last for a long time. So we start with carefully selected raw material. We put that through a series of forming and engineering processes. It then moves on to welding. To ensure good quality in the product, we put an awful lot of attention into avoiding any contamination in the welds, ensuring all our parts are very clean and designing purpose-built jigs that keep the weld backed with argon gas, avoiding oxygenization that may lead to embrittlement. There's then finishing processes that give a nice consistent finish before it's packed and sent back down to Brompton.